Day 26. Here we are. Today I wanted to take some time to remind you of the power of your body. Your body is an incredible living system that is always working towards balance of itself, repair, and renewal, even when you can't see it. Your cells are constantly regenerating. Your tissues are healing and mending. The energy in your body shifts from one way to the other for proper balance. Your body has a built-in system that has been with you since birth to help renew itself and heal itself. A common misconception, though, is that if you consider incorporating traditional treatments or medicines, that means that you don't trust your body, or that you are taking some of that healing power away from your body. And that is not true. So that's what we're going to tap on today. We are going to tap on truly trusting that your body can heal, whether you choose to incorporate traditional medicine or not. Trusting your body and your body's ability to heal does not mean that you don't always partake in some medical advice or treatments. It's far from that. Sometimes healing can be the combination of the power of the body's ability to heal and the expertise and treatments in this modern world that we have offered to us. So today's tapping is going to help you reconnect with that trust that you have in your body's innate ability to heal, while at the same time honoring the role that medicine may sometimes need to play in your healing journey. So let's take a moment to take a nice big deep breath. And we're going to start tapping on the karate chop point. You're used to it by now. Day 26 of our tapping journey, you have to be hopefully used to the tapping points and know where to start. Hopefully it's becoming a habit for you. So we always start on this karate chop point. And before we jump into the tapping program, just as a reminder, as always, I'm not a EFT tapping professional. I do incorporate EFT tapping in my coaching with my clients using topics that help them. And that's what I am sharing with you today, is just different topics that have been beneficial to my coaching clients in the past. So you are the one who's in control of your healing. You have to take control and charge of that. Do not do something that feels uncomfortable or wrong for you, and always seek help from professionals when you need it. So on this karate chop point, even though I have sometimes doubted my body's ability to heal, I choose to believe in its natural wisdom. Even though I have worried that I can't trust my body, I'm learning to see all the different ways that it is actually working for me. Even though healing sometimes needs the help of doctors or nurses, medicine, treatments, coaches, I know that my body and my team that I put together for myself can work together for my highest good. Let's move on to the eyebrow point. I have been through a lot side of the eye, so sometimes it is hard to trust my body. Under the eye, if I'm being honest, I have felt like it has failed me before. Under the nose, but I remember that it's still here working for me every day. Under the mouth, my body knows how to repair itself. Collarbone, it is designed to seek balance. Under the arm, but because of the world we live in, it might need extra support along the way. Top of the head, and that is when guidance from doctors and medical professionals or coaches can be helpful. Eyebrow. My body and the medicines that I choose to incorporate can work together. Side of the eye, I can trust in my body and still follow medical advice when needed. Under the eye, doctors and nurses and coaches and treatments can all be a part of my healing team when needed. Under the nose, my body is not my enemy. Under the mouth, it wants to heal. Collarbone, so I can give it the care and the tools that it needs. Under the arm, I am allowed to receive both natural and medical support. Top of the head, they can all work in harmony. Eyebrow, healing may not always look the way I expected it to. Side of the eye, but my body knows what to do. Under the eye, I can be patient and gentle with myself. Under the nose, I release the pressure to heal perfectly or instantly. Under the mouth, I support my body in every way that I can. Collarbone, which means sometimes listening to both my inner wisdom and to my doctors and medical team. Under the arm, I trust my body's timing. Top of the head, I trust my body's ability to heal. Eyebrow, my body is wise. Side of the eye, my body is capable. Under the eye, my body is resilient. Under the nose, so I choose to be open-minded and give it the help that it needs. Under the mouth, I honor the role of my medical team, which may include doctors, nurses, coaches. I honor their role in my healing. Collarbone, but I also honor my body's role in my healing. Under the arm, they are both working together. Top of the head, my healing is a powerful partnership. Wonderful. Take a nice big deep breath. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to reach out to Ginger at support@breastcancerconqueror.com if you think you need to add more professionals into your healing journey team or your medical team. You might consider adding one of our coaches as a member of your healing team. So reach out to Ginger at support@breastcancerconqueror.com if you want to learn more about our coaching programs. Thank you all. Have a wonderful, restful rest of your day.